Hello friends, welcome back to my channel My Healthy Lifestyle. Hope you all are doing good. So in breakfast series today we are going to see the second recipe which I used to make quite often, and it's very healthy and good to kickstart our day. So let's get started. So before preparing, I would like to share what all ingredients I used to prepare this healthy protein dosa, and it's quite easy and quick recipe and instant recipe too if we have all these ingredients handy. 1 cup of soaked tur dal, chana dal, yellow split moong dal, 2 spoons of urad dal, kudravali millet rice, dosa rice, red chili and rock salt as required. So see, I have soaked this for 2 to 3 hours, and I'm just going to grind it by adding red chili and jeera and rock salt as required. So to make it smooth paste, you can have like coarsely grinded paste so that it will be nice and crispy too. See, I have grinded instantly and our dosa batter is now all ready. So this need not to be fermented or you have to keep it overnight, nothing like that. So now I'm adding dry curry leaves. So before preparing dosa, I'm just going to prepare chutney for this. So I'm going to prepare groundnut chutney. For that I have taken kadai and oil. In that I'm adding peanuts, 1 cup. So let the peanuts get roasted, and then I'm going to add. So please keep the flame in sim, or else these peanuts will get burnt and really give bitter taste. So along with peanuts, I'm just going to add these garlic cloves. So I have used 3 garlic cloves, 5 to 6 red chili. You can use as per your taste or spicy. So I like little spicy, so I am using 5 to 6 red chili, as well as little tamarind paste I'm adding. So for instant recipes I'll use tamarind paste, or if I'm pre-planning I'll soak tamarind in hot water. So then I have ordered rock salt and I've given a good mix with my mixie jar, and see, our chutney is ready. This chutney I just love, and it will be so much of taste, yummy, and it's good for health too. So other replacement for peanut butter. So I'm just adding oil and making tadka for this chutney. So whenever I prepare chutney, I love to make tadka as well as add curry leaves that add the good fragrance for the chutney which we make, and it's healthy too. So if you are someone who will love eating peanut butter a lot, this chutney is alternate spicy peanut butter, I can say, really. See how smooth it is. Let's start to make dosa. For that I have taken dosa tawa, grease it with oil. So I'm going to prepare this with til oil, because I love til oil and it's really good for healthy for us compared to other oils. I mostly prefer cooking with til oil while I'm preparing dosa or idli or any dishes. Til oil gives a good aroma. So finely spread in dosa tawa and sprinkle oil to it. Adding oil is must when we are making this protein dosa. In Tamil we call it as adai. So after some time, try to flip it out and let it get cooked for 5 minutes. See, our crispy instant protein dosa is all ready. So see, if it turns brown color in some places and if the dosa has become crispy, you can take it. So our crispy protein dosa is ready. So this is time to serve this with our yummy peanut chutney. So if you all like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and share it with your friends so that it will really motivate me to keep add to my channel.